In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this cube mesh, by changing certain settings of the cell fracture feature. Let's select the default cube, and press F3 to search for cell fracture. I'll show you how to use the random setting. This setting will only work when the recursion value is set to any numbers higher than 1. Another setting we should look into is the noise setting. The noise setting decides how complicated the cracks are going to look like. For the noise setting, we can put any numbers between 0 to 1. With the recursion setting set to 1, now we can see this block was randomly divided once again. Let's set the recursion value to 0 and try again. The random division didn't occur, because we have set the recursion value to 0. Again, higher the noise value means more complex cracks on the surface. I'll just go with 0.5, and I'll show you how to create the glowing cube seen in the beginning of this tutorial. Type M to put the cracked meshes into a new collection. Let's select the original mesh, named cube, and divide its material from the rest. The idea is to use the original mesh's material as emission. We need to change the render engine to Eevee, and activate Bloom. It's working. We need to separate the cracks, by selecting them and scaling them while the location is checked under Options. Let's increase the emission value. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.